This is complete. What a catch. Coach Doss held on. Great catch. Aldag throws, and another nice catch. 2nd and 4. Aldag throws over the middle again. Complete, but fumbled. Is it complete and then a fumble? I think the Spartans recovered it in the end zone. It's a touchdown. Take it at the 7. Some room on the near side. Walker Cox. He could go all the way to the 40, 30, 20. Give him 6.
Touchdown. Wow. No flags.
And then 10. MacArthur has it
Got
for a yard, and that's it. Quarterback Ryan Carter hands it off to MacArthur.
Oh,
He's
nothing
in the
there.
backfield and thrown for a loss. 3rd and 16. He's back to pass. He's in trouble. The rush.
Oh, get him.
Comes
Get
in
him.
and they bring him down.
There we go. Oh,
Keeps
got it.
and gets hit for a loss.
Mel Wilcox.
Mel Wilcox with a nice play. 1st and 10 Bucks at their 46.
Need a turnover here.
Oh, very nice play.
Walker Cox.
Right side, room to run. Hey, there's room for Rector again. Mark Rector out near the 40. High, and it comes down at the 11. Ooh, I thought I saw a block in the back. Right at the point where he broke free, but there's the ball
we
loose.
got it.
And I think
Andrew Pickering, I believe.
Was it 20? Yes, Andrew Pickering.
No.
They're going to hand it off. Stacked up and
Will
belted.
Ham and Miller Williams.
On the left side, room to run. John Beck. Pass in the flat to Golson. He gets a block and gets a first down. That's John Beck over the left side. Got about 7 or 8. 2nd down. Right side. Touchdown. Mark Rector